Callie from Callie and Her Friends, and today I'm going to be opening up some Shopkins Season 7.
Yeah, we got a 2-pack Shopkins Series 7. What else we got?
And some Tsum Tsums.
Tsum Tsum Mystery Pack Series 3.
And some Walmart
And
exclusives.
And a Walmart exclusive Tsum Tsum Mystery Pack as well.
And if you notice that my hair is purple, it's because I dyed my hair last night for the first day of school.
Yes, on Tuesday is the first day of school. Woohoo! All right. So, we've got the Disney Mystery Pack. Why don't you turn that around and see what we can get inside?
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
So, we're going to see what's inside. Turn it around.
You said see what's inside.
I might have said that, yes.
Don't need that anymore.
Can you just straighten that up?
Sorry.
All right. So we can get Pluto, White Rabbit, Baymax, Patch, Donald, Dopey, Alice, Bambi, Jasmine, Woody, Genie, and Tinkerbell. As you can see, we already have the Genie.
Yeah.
We have Baymax, and we have
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. All right, now you can open it up and see what we got inside.
Oh, I got Donald.
Nice.
Donald the Duck.
Got some scissors?
I don't need them.
Okay. There's Donald Duck.
Donald the Duck. There we go.
With the life preserver?
Yeah. Because Donald doesn't know how to swim. Donald does not know how to swim, I guess.
I guess not.
He's a duck, shouldn't he know how to swim? That's a weird duck.
You would think so, eh? You'd think you know how to swim.
Yeah, and he doesn't. So, he won't stay still.
There we go. There he is.
And I'm just gonna put him right.
Put him in there. And there we go. That's fine. All right, so let's see what we can get inside the Walmart exclusive. So we're going to turn around to the back. So these are ColourPop limited edition figures. Can you put it closer there, Callie? Whoa, not that close. So we can get, there are 20 to collect. We can get Chip, Tigger, Eeyore, White Rabbit, Stitch, the Queen of Hearts, Lot, Pluto, Dale, Bambi, Miss Bunny Barrel, Goofy, Gus, Snow White, Scrump, Figaro, Angel, and Maria. And if you're feeling super lucky, there's a golden Stitch. So there they are all. So which one would you want, Callie?
I want Eeyore so badly.
Yes, you would want Eeyore. Let's open it up and see what you get inside.
I want Eeyore. And it's not Eeyore, is it? Oh, I got the golden.
Oh, you got... No way! You got the golden Stitch.
Yeah.
I guess you're feeling lucky.
Wait, no. Is that the golden Stitch or is that Mrs. Bunny?
Oh, no. Maybe.
Mrs. Bunny or golden Stitch. I don't know.
I think it's the... Can I see?
I think it's...
I think it's Miss Bunny, isn't it?
Yeah, Miss Bunny. She's still very cute. Although I didn't get Eeyore.
Oh, that's too bad. I thought we were feeling really lucky there. Yes, I think this is Miss Bunny.
Maybe you'll get Eeyore next time.
Yeah.
Now for my Shopkins.
All right. Now time to open up the Shopkins. Season 7.
I can just rip open this. I don't need any scissors.
I've already cut it open for you, though.
Yeah, but I already know how to open it without it, but I'm just going to use the whole anyway because it's there.
There you go.
There we go. Now we just need to open some more. There's... Just going to rip it open. There, that worked.
These are all the ones that you can collect?
Yeah. We'll see that after. Oh my God.
Oh.
Guess it opened it for me.
I did. I guess that's what that was for.
Yeah. This one's really small. This feels really small.
Oops.
Yeah.
It wants to run away.
Yep. And it's a shoe. Black velvet. I see it. Okay. It's a shoe. It's a new shoe.
Ah, there's...
Brand new shoe. This one?
We'll open it up later and see which ones we actually got.
This feels like big. And it looks blue. Oh, purple. Oh, that's a little cute purple slipper.
Oh, look at that. You got a shoe collection this time. Okay. We'll be right back with which ones we got.
So we're back, and I got Zoo the wedding shoe.
Zoo the wedding shoe, which was a
ultra rare.
Ultra rare. And then what was the other one?
Fluffy slipper.
Yeah, it's on the other side of that. And it's Fluffy Slipper, which is a common.
Where's Fluffy slipper?
Right.
There?
Yep.
Fluffy slipper.
Fluffy Slipper. All right, so those are the two that we got today.
Back those up.
That is a pretty good combination we got here today, guys. All right. So remember to subscribe to Callie's channel. Share with your family and friends. Like this video. Until next time.
Bye!
School tomorrow. School Tuesday. Yes.